If you're over 60 and starting to feel your legs getting weaker, this one simple thing you can add to your morning coffee could help rebuild your strength faster than you think. When your body is strong and healthy, you can handle 1,000 little problems. But when your body becomes weak, you only have one: your health. Now imagine this. Your morning cup of coffee could actually help protect your muscles, improve balance, and keep your strength as you age. Most people don't realize this. After the age of 50, we start losing 1 to 2% of muscle every year. By the time you reach 70, you could have lost up to 40% of your muscle mass. That's when everyday movements become harder: getting out of bed, climbing stairs, or standing up without help. Your legs may start to feel weak, your balance becomes unstable, and fatigue hits faster than ever before. If nothing changes, muscle loss continues, and what feels difficult today could become impossible tomorrow. Once falls and muscle weakness begin, independence can quickly fade. But here's the good news. You can rebuild strength naturally, starting with your morning coffee. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful ingredients you can add to your coffee that support muscle growth after 50, boost energy, and help prevent muscle loss and balance problems as you age. And make sure you stay until the end, because the 5th ingredient is surprisingly simple, yet it can make a life-changing difference in how strong and steady you feel every day. Number 1. Almond milk, the mineral booster. The first thing to add to your coffee is almond milk. As we get older, our muscles need more calcium and magnesium to stay strong and flexible. Calcium helps your muscles tighten and lift. Magnesium helps them relax afterward. Both are needed for smooth movement and strength. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk gives you almost half your daily calcium needs and a healthy dose of magnesium, all gentle on your stomach. It's perfect if you're lactose intolerant or can't handle regular milk anymore. Plus, almond milk helps protect your muscles with vitamin E, supports nutrient absorption, and keeps your blood sugar steady. Number 2. Cinnamon, the glucose regulator. Muscle is your best protection against aging. The more muscle you have, the stronger your body, and the longer your life. But weak muscles can't process blood sugar well. That's how problems like fatigue and type 2 diabetes begin. Adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon to your coffee each morning can help balance your blood sugar and improve energy. Cinnamon helps your body move sugar out of your blood and into your muscles, where it's used for fuel. It also improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps your body make better use of protein. It's one of the easiest and tastiest things you can add to your day. Number 3. Ginger, the digestive activator. Even if you eat enough protein, your body can't use it if digestion is slow. That's a common issue as we age. Food just doesn't move as well as it used to. Ginger helps with that. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder to your morning coffee. Ginger helps your stomach digest food faster, so your muscles actually receive the nutrients they need. It also eases joint pain, calms nausea and bloating, and boosts circulation, so your hands and feet feel warmer. Here's a quick story. Margaret, a 72-year-old retired teacher, used to feel bloated after breakfast every day. She was losing weight and muscle because her body couldn't digest properly. Once she started adding ginger to her coffee, her bloating stopped, and within a few months, she regained strength, gained healthy weight, and felt alive again, all from one small change. Number 4. MCT oil, the instant energy source.
Your muscle mass, not your weight, is what determines how healthy you'll be in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. To stay strong, your muscles need quick, clean energy, and that's where MCT oil comes in. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. They're special fats from coconuts that turn into instant fuel for your muscles and brain. Unlike regular fats, MCTs go straight to your liver and are used for energy right away, not stored as fat. Studies show that seniors who take just a small amount daily gain muscle strength, better balance, and sharper focus in just a few months. Start with 1 teaspoon in your coffee, then slowly increase to 1 tablespoon. It also helps with reducing inflammation, improving recovery after exercise, and keeping you full longer so you eat better.
Number 5. Cayenne pepper, the circulation booster. This one surprises most people. Cayenne pepper. Yes, just a tiny pinch in your coffee can do wonders. Your leg and thigh muscles are the largest in your body. Keeping them strong helps you stay balanced, mobile, and independent. Cayenne contains capsaicin, the natural compound that gives it heat. Capsaicin improves blood flow, strengthens your arteries, and even lowers blood pressure over time. Start with just a pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. It might give you a gentle warmth and a burst of energy. Better circulation means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients, especially those in your legs. That helps prevent fatigue, weakness, and the dizziness that can lead to falls.
Here's your new morning routine. A cup of coffee with almond milk. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of MCT oil, and just a pinch of cayenne pepper. That's it. 5 simple additions that work together to keep you strong, balanced, and independent. Start tomorrow morning, and after a few weeks, you'll notice the difference. More energy, better digestion, steadier steps, and stronger muscles. Remember, small habits done daily create big changes over time.